Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Maria goes to the supermarket. She needs to buy some food. She takes a basket at the entrance. First, she goes to the fruit section. She sees some red apples. The apples look very fresh. She looks for the price tag. But there is no price tag. She sees a worker nearby. "Excuse me," she says. "How much are these apples?" The worker smiles. "They are €2 per kilo," he says. "Thank you," Maria says. She puts some apples in a bag. Then she goes to the bread section. She picks up a loaf of bread. This bread has a price tag. It costs €1.50. She puts the bread in her basket. Next, she wants to buy milk. The milk is in the cold section. She takes a bottle of milk. The price is 90 cents. Maria is happy with the prices today. She goes to the checkout. A cashier scans her items. The total is €4.40, he says. Maria pays with her card. "Thank you and have a nice day." Maria smiles and takes her bag. She walks home with her food. Learn with LingoStories.app.